Experiencing sign-in problems with the Rogers Xfinity app? It's likely related to credential errors, multi-factor authentication failures, or region-based restrictions. Credential issues occur with incorrect username-password combinations, account lockouts after multiple failed attempts, or outdated app versions. Ensure you're using the correct email or phone number linked to your Rogers account. MFA failures involve secondary codes sent via SMS, email, or authenticator app. These codes expire quickly, around 30 seconds, or you may lack internet access. Check spam folders and use backup codes from Rogers account settings. Region fixes stem from IP-based location detection. If outside supported areas, access is blocked. A VPN can spoof your location, but illegal use for piracy is discouraged. Start with the basics. Clear the app cache and restart your device to fix temporary glitches. Next, verify your username and password on the Rogers website to ensure they're correct. Temporarily disable your VPN during sign-in, as it can interfere with multi-factor authentication. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app to avoid compatibility issues. If problems persist, contact Rogers support for account-specific help.